Hello everybody and welcome to today's video, and today I'm here with JoJo. She is our rescue rehab horse. She has been on a fantastic diet for the last 3 months, and as you can see, she's bright and shiny. She's gained her weight back, but her mane still doesn't have as much growth and her tail doesn't have as much growth as I would like. So what are we doing? MTG to the rescue. I'm going to show you how to put this stuff on and what to expect. Okay, if you check this stuff out, the main active ingredient in it is sulfur, and it's got basically sulfur and some mineral oil, which softens up the hair and promotes growth. Now this stuff, you gotta shake it before you put it on. Okay, this stuff is pretty much super easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply it right here at the top of the hair, kind of as best as you can, and then you're going to massage it in. It can stay, it doesn't have to go anywhere. They do recommend you don't do it in the middle of the day. Okay, so now that we got it in, we're just gonna massage it in there really good. Oh, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna help promote some new growth. It kind of has a little bit of a smell to it, but we're gonna get that in really nice and well. We may have to put a little bit more in, but it's looking pretty good. Now let's move on to the tail. Now with the tail, you really want to concentrate on getting it really good on to the bone. So you're actually going to lift your tail and you're going to get it all the way around the tailbone and rub it in. So what you're doing is you're really trying to massage the tailbone, and she really actually likes it when I massage her tailbone. She thinks, oh, that feels pretty good. But you can leave it on, but you don't really want to put it all the way to the bottom of the hair. You just want to massage it in at the top and just leave it on. And if you do this before a ride, it'll have a nice good time to soak in. And there you go. So thank you so much for joining us in today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you want to see more riding lessons, make sure you check out our playlists.